Loudest round of applause to Ankita Jaju. Woo! Let's hear it, let's hear it. Woo!
I was born into a traditional Marwadi family. Elder sister, big brother, and me. Life was meant to be very simple, but my story began with loss. Shortly I was born, I lost my mother. My world began without the warmth and grace of mother. My father shattered but strong. My grandmother loving but rooted in tradition raised me. Dreams were allowed only if we didn't ask for money. I dreamed of becoming an engineer, but dreams cost money and we didn't have it. So I settled in what I can afford. A diploma in interior design. It wasn't my first choice, but it gives me a sense of direction. I was thrilled when I landed my first job. I thought something bright had to be started today. But life has other plans. My grandmother passed away. It broke me completely because my father started declining his health with high blood pressure and sugar. It was not a start. I always found myself asking, why always me, God? I wasn't a person who enjoyed kitchen work, household chores. That's why I asking, God, why always me? Then something in me shifted. I realized this is all chosen for me by a higher power. Because fighting doesn't help you, complaining doesn't help you, blaming doesn't help. I start asking myself, what do I have? What do I know? Because all family responsibility fell on me. My elder sister was in job. My brother was studying MSc. What do I know? What do I have? The answer was chess. I slowly started with my chess classes and tuition classes. I slowly started with my chess classes and tuition classes. I was home more and my father was happy because I was the caretaker for him. Then I found a rhythm in my work, but life changed again. I got married. A love marriage. Dream, hope and dreams. Filled with all hopes and dreams. I thought, now something bright has to be start again. अब तो कुछ करना ही है. Then life has other plan, but reality was very harsh. My husband was living in another city. I was with my in-laws for 1 year alone. He only came on weekends. I fight it. I cried every day. Eventually, we shifted to a rented flat in Nagpur. Got corona. COVID happened. We shifted to a in-laws place. And after 3 months, finally shifted to a rented flat in Nagpur. And eventually, I was pregnant. 9 month journey wasn't easy for me because I was alone. No support, no confidence. But I told myself, If I have handled so many situations in my life, then I gave a birth to a baby boy. I was overjoyed. But again, life tasted me. It was the second layer of corona, and my father got hospitalized. I thought, not yet, he have not seen his grandson till now. How it can be? Thankfully, he recovered. Those days were filled with prayers and anxiety. Then, one day, I saw an ad of Riddhi ma'am on Facebook. I thought, can parenting be learned really? I had no money, so I ignored. But social media kept me showing parenting contents, children making world records. I thought, this might be an influencer kids naturally gifted. God is sharp, present. Then I dug deep, repeatedly, gently using same techniques with my child. I used same techniques with my child. And then 18 months, he made a world record, identifying 2000 flashcards in 50 plus categories. I thought he was 3 years old. He is learning, I am learning. But for whom? But for him, not for me. So what about my learning, my growth? Then something unthinkable thing happened. My father passed away. It broke me completely. After 4 months, my brother passed away. He was just 32 years old. And then we got a 5 lakh insurance money, death insurance money of him. I thought, this is only for Kashyap, not for me. Then again, I saw an ad of Riddhi ma'am on Instagram. Something in me lit up. This is what I want. This is what I need. This was very scary to invest on me for the first time. Still, I trusted myself. I trusted God that yes, I can do it. And finally, I registered with the first installment. Then afterwards, I asked my husband, can I register for enroll for this course? He was like, are you crazy to invest so much on online course? First time in my life, I was not scared. Why? Because I took decision for myself. Waking at 4 a.m., studying religiously with parenting courses of Riddhi ma'am, thinking that she's speaking to me live, she's changing me every day. Before my son woke up, I used to study for 3 hours, waking up at 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. By September, I finished all my courses and started with my offline parenting sessions, free parenting sessions in schools. And by January, I made a vision board in December that I should have my own office where I can do one-to-one. This was not a dream, but it was. That vision board came in January. And it was something like making mission activities, taking part in mission. I got a leadership and it was a big breakthrough in my life. Because leadership taught me communication skills. which I was not lost completely. Confidence in me. Someone who has never imagined public speaking on the stage. Then, after 3 sessions, I decided in 2025 January, no free for now, because I've learned it. Educated 150 plus mothers in parenting, 70 plus trained in handwriting, and 1000 plus students in my Positive Pathways program. Parenting sessions, various recognitions, Women of the Year, and many. After that, I thought something is mean to me. Then I thought, yes, Ramji has all planned for me this. I trust myself, no confidence, nothing, but still, if I can do it, so you can. I just wanted to ask 2 questions. Do you think you can take a decision for yourself from today? Will you start trusting yourself and not others? Will you start making yourself confidence and not on the society judgment? So, if I can do it, so you can. If I say yes to myself, then the world will say yes to you.
Amazing. How many of you loved it? You loved it, shout out loud. So proud, so proud. Yes, and do you want more? Are you loving these stories? These are real stories, not like Big Boss.